Good morning, Nate. Where are we going?
Singapore.
Are you excited?
Yes.
How excited are you?
600%.
Out of?
1,000.
Hi!
Lounge.
Yan! Nathan! Pangit mo?
Cinematic. Are you excited?
Papa.
Ma. Ma.
Amoy safe something. Kakain pa tayo doon.
Nate, are you happy?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Kami skywalk na daw. Video mo dali.
Get some.
This is the best.
This is the best. This is the best.
Anong price na yan?
Are you happy?
Yes.
Kami lahat. Yun, si Mother.
Tapos katawid tayo ng line 2.
Careful. Ano ba ako?
Ang ganda. Tanjire ka?
Mas galawan.
Sarap siya, guys. And the thing with the service dito, malaki. Katulad ng apple pie sa Philippines.
Change of plans, Joy. Ay, ako. Ay.
Kain na muna.
Day 2!
Ano mabilisan?
No unauthorized.
Remove the mask na.
Okay, picture lang.
Look here.
Ganyan yung chicken. Kaya yung ganyan kinakain mo.
Duck.
Oh, ito pa oh. Ayun, oh. No,
Yay!
Sabi niya yung be happy. Hinahanap niya yung...
Ayun na. Nathan.
Oh, okay.
Nate.
Cute naman ang pink.
Ah, hindi ko magana. May mga afam sa likuran nyo. Hindi mo kaya yung video kami.
Kaya kita. Saka na.
Kaya nga, parang
Thank you.
Everybody have a good one.
With glasses?
yes. Amazing, right? There, say hi. Guys, here's my ride.
Okay, come on. Did you enjoy it? That's why it's maraming pila.
You talking about the ice and all the shine, do it left and right, go for it.
Look at here, guys.
Eh, ah, kakagulat naman ang lalim.
Mabig na kumuga.
Hey!
Yeah!
Nathan, did you have fun?
Direct niya ako.
Nakuha.
Dance, 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 dance. A picture. Yung ano ko yung Tita. Ngayon I want
Siyempre, di ba? May vlog yan.
Baka pa naglagsan na.
Nahulog yan. Dalawa. Oh my God, it's a real dinosaur. Eh, ayun, gumagalaw yun.
Oh, dinosaur. Hayop! Yung pala.
Attention all park guests. A flood warning is in effect for the outpost B area. Your local procedure to be unloaded.
Okay lang.
Pwede mabasa. Baho. Baho ng tubig. Lansa. Tiras pa din eh.
Wala yan. Kailangan na ba-vlog?
Wow, ang ganda.
Parang kami ko pabasa natin.
May pabango. Ay, pabango? Oh, sige. Naging 50% na. Ano ba yan? Okay. Okay naman nakakalakas. Oo.
Ano ba ang problema niyan?
Hindi yan ba nag-picture? Madali na lang. Ano ba ito ng
Ayaw niya nga yung damit. Ayaw yung damit. Sabi kasi magdadala na ako ng damit. Ayaw nagdadala. Ako na balik sa tingin na ano. Ayaw ko po.
Do you like Singapore, Nate? Do you still like it?
Where the shadows creep, whispers of the city. Underneath the street lamps,
Kita mo like nila.
Sa May Day.
nights waiting in turn. Shine, but they never show. The truths we hide, the things we don't know.
Nate, tingin.
Concrete jungle beats in the air. Dreams take flight, but beware, beware.
Yes.
Graffiti tells tales
Hi.
on the subway line. Lost
Nate.
souls searching, trying to
Hi,
redefine.
so bright.
Echoes of struggle in alleys tight, fighting for a moment under neon light. Corners hum with a jazzy groove. Time stands still, it's hard to move. The rhythm of life, fast and slow. Navigate the maze, let the story flow.
Nathan. Go, Nate.
Please take care of me. Huh?
Go.
Ano?
Kare.
Lines of pulse from a vivid mind.
Oh, let's go. Come here.
Urban poets in the court of kings. Street symphonies when the corners sing.
Dito, paliwanag, no?
City lights shine, but they never show. The things we don't know. Concrete jungle beats in the air. Dreams take flight.
Nathan.
Beware, beware.
in Singapore and inaantay lang namin yung delivery namin ng McDonald's para mag-breakfast muna before going to the Merlion. Yes.
Hindi na para matulog ko gabi.
Kaya nga, andito na ako. Bye-bye. House.
Lagi na lang may guest house. Check out na sa hotel. So, we're now on our way to Merlion Park. Ayan. Strict pa rin sila sa mask dito. Kaya kapag sasakay ka ng mga public transport, kailangan may mask. Last minute. Mga pa-vlog pa.
Si Ju lang nakakasalo eh.
Tsaga oh.
Bakit babe? Bakit mo kailangan gawin yun? Nagpipictorial kami.
Dali na, isama mo na siya.
Hindi nga, nakataplis nga sila.
Halika na.
What's up, third?
Catch it! Kunin mo! Kunin mo! Dali! Kunin mo!
Why those pigeons are flying?
Ang linis ng Singapore. Yes, mother.
Honey ba?
That's
Sinabi natin. Ay! Hindi masakat yung...
deserve.
Bakit nangyari?
Naka-dedicate na yung seat natin dyan. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Ferris wheel. Hey, welcome to Malaysia.
Welcome to Malaysia, truly Asia.
Malaysia.
Malaysia, truly Asia. Truly Asia.
It's the word. Aliwanag.
We did it! We did it! Malaysia, truly Asia. Parang Guadalupe, oh. Yeah. Hi, PNR.
This.
Guess this country, what is this?
Oh no, they're setting me bad advice.
PNR levels pala kami.
Parang hindi nakakabot ko sa mga
Oh, mind the gap.
Scary dito ah.
Nasa lang. Oh, favorite ko talaga yan.
Pero nasaan yung
Boy ka.
You are rewarded because you're a good boy. So the McDonald's staff gave him Sunday.
Yay!
Nasi lemak chicken. So this is what I miss in KL. Especially the dilis. I love the dilis. And this is super spicy. Yeah. Parang basic na dito, super spicy. And then kapag gusto mo regular, yun yung special order. Kaya niluluto pa lang.
Mawawaraan talaga.
Airbnb guys.
Yeah, don't worry. We pay
Pwede
this.
talaga mag-Airbnb dito sa KL. Yan. So we got this for less than 5K a day. So may 3 rooms and then 2 bathrooms. So yan. Dito rin kami nag-Airbnb last time na nandito kami sa mga 2019. Love it. Yan. Pagod ng lahat. Tagal ng biyahe. Okay, we're now on the way to somewhere.
Nasaan yung card? Nasaan yung card?
Ito yung mga cards.
Tayo fresh lang.
Ay, pa sa akin.
For the highlights
Pasado.
ng Jowa.
Ayun yung dito kari sa pinaganda niya.
Ang ganda. Grabe, diba? Mura ng dito.
Hi guys, nandito kami ngayon sa Genting Highlands. Parang ito yung version nila ng Tagaytay. At meron dito mga premium outlets. So yeah, we're gonna go shopping and then sasakay kami ng cable car. So, first ni Che and ni Nathan. Nathan, are you excited to ride the cable car?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Huwag mo akong inaano.
Pogi points! Ay, wow!
Yeah!
Pogi points!
Para makikita yung ibang team ulit.
Hindi ka takot na
Pwede ito na mag-bad bird.
Hindi ka takot sa height. Hindi ka takot sa height.
Hindi kasi naman daw.
Okay, hindi siya arcophobic. Oh, I love this. Oh.
Wow! Ay, pidyan mo si Joy. Dali, pidyan mo yan.
Okay, hi guys! Mother, ikaw lagi kang nakakaya. Ang ganda. Ako selfie na lang.
Where have you been? Ito sariling lakad. Eh. As the vlogger of the family, I'm required to do this for my mom. For her TikTok. Be careful, it's slippery. There. Video. Dito ka tabigin. Ikot-ikot. Ah, diba? The Buddha. Dahilo. And tingnan mo. Told you. Oh, sumilip pa rito. Sumilip pa. Sumilip ka. Ayan. Look there. There, sa baba. Ayun. Ganyan na yung reaction ni Mecca. Parang kaloka ka sa temple, tapos biglang may coffee shop. Parang, what a disconnect.
At walang laman.
Modern, di ba? May tao rin naman. Tusok-tusok.
Bakit na pa?
Happy New Year! Happy New Year! Konghay ba dyan? Bago diba? Go na, akit na.
Dali, lama. Lama.
Okay, hello!
Oh my God, the clouds!
I see Jesus.
The clouds!
Very.
Kasi asa naguutot. inside. So, paano, Jer? Gonna take me hit. Pag dito sa inside, para ako, part kayo.
Can you take me hint po?
Hits.
This is the last station. Santolan Annapolis Station.
What?
Hindi ko na kaya.
Hindi ko na kaya.
Kinakabahan ako. Grabe ang taas.
Tapos bababa doon, no?
Oh my God! Ang taas na.
Hindi, Resorts World na kasi yan.
Ah,
Resorts World.
Jesus.
Mas nakakatakot!
Kaya pala may mountain doon. Pwede pala yun.
Smash punch louder than the city's own shine.
Nathan, happy ka ba? Nataas na natin eh.
Grabe ang taas natin. Oy,
Ayan na ako ba?
sobrang ganda.
Ang ganda na
Marta, wish tayo meron tayong engineer.
Babalik tayo doon. Babalik tayo.
Ayan yung Sky Avenue na.
Sobrang, grabe na ang taas natin.
Nate!
Sobrang ganda. Theme park.
Say hi! Nasaan na naman sila mama? Aquarium! Aquarium! Are you happy? Yes, how happy are you?
Infinity plus Omega.
Dali, go to the aquarium. Go to the aquarium. Run to the aquarium. Bear. Nate.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
Grabe yung park.
Galit sila sa kuryente. Parang how many lights do you want? Yes. First World Hotel. Ang cute! Sky World. Ayun yung cable car na sinakyan namin kanina. Guys, super ganda dito. Like,
Ayos lang.
jump, let's jump, let's jump. Then, go!
Shot! Sabay.
Tama. One, two, three, go. Yeah!
That's right.
Naka-jumper to. Ang social ng perya nila. Sky Ranch Kencho. Wala sinabi yung Star City.
Dito nga, tingin ka dito.
ka dyan. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Yes.
At least meron na tayong car. Yay!
Here we go. Let's do this.
Let's go!
Go. Okay, XD Theater.
Nasa dito sa bag.
Sis, ang galing mo, sis. Proud of you, sis. Ha? Ano may PR?
Grabe, sigaw din. Yes. Five lang yan. Ayan, direct.
Size 9. Ang sikip na lang sa 8.5.
Tama na, magbalik ka na dito.
Pwede na pwede. Basta
Nasaan na sila, baby?
People are so tired. Yatari lang namin. Very happy. Daming sad na. Yun is, yeah. Which do you like more? Singapore or Malaysia? Both. Just sing.
Kahit dun sa mga rides eh, wala daw siya talaga mapipili.
Two countries.
4 daw talaga.
Petrona. Say hi.
Matingin ka sa amin.
Paano ito yung BSP nila? Dalawa. Yan. For the seat.
Yeah.
Sakto na yung shirt niya.
Ano pa yun? No way! That's scary! Yung ako din.
Hayaan mo na, okay na tayo, okay na.
Halika na, bye-bye!
Last night here, and of course, we started with McDonald's. We're gonna be ending it with McDonald's. Say hi!
Yeah, bye-bye, Malaysia!
Check out time! We're ready to go. Guys, let's go! Yeah. Say bye-bye na, Malaysia!
Bye-bye! Bye-bye!
Oh, get your bag.
Bye-bye!
No, not yet. Bye-bye daw.
Ito na.
Nate!
Galit.
Ako yan eh.
Going home.
Yeah.
How do you feel? That after 5 days we're going home. Oh, are you sad?
Stress.
Yeah, it's kind of stressed.
Stress. Finally.
We're now back. Nate, say bye-bye na sa vlog. Oh, he's crying.
Gawa sa upuan.
Why are you sad? Because we're back in this country. No, she will.
Balik lang ng Malaysia, sad? Bakit ganun?
Back in the house. Did you miss the house? Sad.